5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Here on this just a silly little YouTube channel.
This is Randy Hutchins Jr. of Wilton.
Yes, the bad news is that's a rod.
I don't even know if y'all can see. Just let me check. There we go. Just like plenty of people in the world. Y'all looking down on me now. Welcome back. I was kind of just sitting here, licking my wounds. I ain't feeling too great. I got the runs, and I don't mean like what's in my paint jobs. I mean like the runs. So that being said, I need to at least do a briefing today. What happened to all these letters? But let's see. Hot. It's a little warm, just so y'all know. Welcome back to Never Done Projects, where we are just a silly little YouTube channel. Yep. But this silly little YouTube channel, our only goal is to be happy and enjoy our 1,440 minutes in every day. It comes up to more than 1,439. Part of our plan to enjoy our 1,440 minutes is in 94 days. I'm not doing that math. We're going to Fun Run Cruiser's Tail of the Dragon. And let me tell you what, I'm going to need some brakes on everything I got. Because you know, it's the Tail of the Dragon. We've got 3 days until the Fun Run Cruiser's drive-in. It's Wednesday, June the 11th, 2025. We're leaving Friday, June the 13th. Really, I got 2 days. No, Jonathan, not today. I have 2 days to get these things ready enough to go on a trailer and mosey their way on to Ohio. So that being said, Daryl's putting on the Fun Run Cruiser drive-in up in Sydney, Ohio at the fairgrounds. First time at the fairgrounds. I really hope we can make this awesome. I mean, I don't know how much we can make it awesome, but I hope people show up. I hope the weather stays good. We got 94 days until the Fun Run Cruiser's driving at Tail of the Dragon. That's the first time he's talked about doing it as like a group for the Fun Run Cruisers. But if you didn't know, the group of people involved with Metal Art Customs, Jonathan over at Parked Up Garage, Adam at Grease Spot Garage, Hugh at Grand Pitovic, Ryan, VR6 Prodigy, Newcomb, I don't remember your name, Gabriel at A-Love Garage, I can go on and on. Sheila at Heart Notes of Life, that's Daryl's mom, Mama Matt. That is not just a group of friends, that is the Snowman family. And the reason we're a Snowman family is we push each other, and if you know anything about a snowball, you start pushing it, it gets bigger. So that being said, we can't give up. There's too many people that want us to succeed. And there's too many people that want us to fail, and I'll be damned if I'm gonna make them happy anymore. But, again, those runs, yeah, I'm not feeling great. With that being said, I pumped up Old Blue's tires back there. One of them was down to 10 pounds, and the others had leaked down to below 30. So I put 40 in all of them. It's full size, but I don't really need much. 40 should be plenty. If we come back from Ohio or wherever, and they're flat again or going down again, we might need to figure out what's going on. Let's make at least 2 videos today. Alright, so the video this morning I made Sunday night. So today's Wednesday, 6/11. So if I make 2 videos, that'll take us to Friday. I might can make some and last for the weekend. That way we can come back Sunday, or I can work on something tomorrow and have something to go up Monday morning, because I don't anticipate us getting back in time to make a video. And let's make a new outro for Daryl. He doesn't like my depressing music. I don't blame him. It is kind of sad sounding, but that's kind of what I was shooting for. Because it's sad that another Never Known Projects video is done. But with that being said, I'm going to shut these doors. I don't want to do that, but I don't need to be up there working on videos. And all these trucks sitting in here, prime for the touching. So with that being said, everybody, I might come back and do something if I can get these 2 videos made quicker than I think, and if I can get that outro made quicker. But I hope to talk to you before I go to work. Until then, remember, keep it silly. If you feel the necessitation, like bare necessities, like, subscribe, and comment. Share with a friend. Tell them, hey, if these 2 idiots can do it, we can do it. You can do it. If nobody else believes in you, I will. But thank y'all. Keep it silly. Stay safe. Don't be like Jonathan over at Parked Up Garage and try to bench press a 800+ pound transmission. Glad you didn't die, bud. Good. Glad to see you this weekend too. Here we go.
I think I'll move here to the shop a little bit and then work on my mower. I'll come along for the ride. Alright, don't take that long to mow that. I would like to get that over there fixed up so I can mow it without throwing stuff everywhere. But that didn't take very long. But I'm going to get everything out here and wash this thing up. Be right back. Alright everybody, I'm about sure it's this tire. Wife said it went flat or had a flat. I think she put a bunch of air in it because it was up to about 20 pounds. They're only supposed to have about 9 or 10. So I think I'm going to jack this thing up and take that wheel off. See if I can find the hole in it.
1, 2, 3. Remember when you told me that I should take it slow, but I can't stay when the world is waiting. I'm too used to being on my own. Hearts will break, but I have to chase it. I'm dancing on the edge again. The wind is calling my name. I'm dancing on the edge again. This time I'm not looking back, babe. You can change me, you can tell me down. I'll leave echoes in every place I find. I'll break the molds with rebels mind. I'm a hurricane, a free-born mind. I remember when you told me I should settle down, but these restless feet won't keep me grounded. The open road's the only place I found where I feel alive, and the stars will guide me. I'm dancing on the edge again. The wind is calling my name. I'm dancing on the edge again. This time I'm not looking back, babe. You can change me, you can tell me down. I'll leave echoes in every place I find. I'll break the molds with rebels mind. I'm a hurricane, a free-born
I don't know then. We'll have to do something different. I do want to put a hitch on it while I got it. I bought a hitch. I want to put a hitch on it and pull a little trailer around or something. But no, I don't think I'm going to have time today. Give me a little bit of crazy glue, maybe I can glue that back on. But anyways, I'll be right back. Well, hello everyone. It is Wednesday afternoon. Wednesday night, I'm sorry. Here at Never Done Projects, we're just a silly little YouTube channel. 94 days to Fun Run Cruisers Tale of the Dragon Run. 3 days to Fun Run Cruisers Drive-In. Randy was going to pump the blue tires up on the blue truck. I think he said one had like 15 or 20 pounds. So I thought the other day when I noticed them, they looked pretty low, and I meant to say something and forgot it. But he pumped those up, got those to going. He says make at least 2 videos. I think he said he did. He's trying to get them made up and exported, so when we leave here, they will continue to go up Friday night and Saturday night, maybe even Sunday. I don't know how far he's going to go, but we're going to try to get it so we don't miss them. And make new outro for Daryl. I don't think Daryl liked the music. So I think he said it was kind of gloomy or something. I think he did that. I haven't seen it yet. I think he said he made the new outro or something, but I hadn't seen it. I didn't put anything up here. I come in and did my live. I was running behind because I had to leave the company truck at work, and so I didn't get here till about 6. And so I got on my live a little bit late, and but turned out pretty good. Got to talking and carrying on, and ended up going right at an hour and 20 minutes. So I had a good live, and then I got off of there and grabbed me a little bite to eat, and went up there and kind of messed around on the computer a little bit, and then I got on the premiere. Watched the hour-and-a-half premiere, and that was all. I'm waiting on Randy to get off work now so I can go get him, because I used his vehicle to come here since I had to leave the company truck there. So I got to go get Randy, come back here and get my vehicle, and then we're going to go home. So that's pretty much all happened today. If anything else happened, I haven't talked to him. I mean, he hasn't told me. Or if he does, I don't remember. You got 1,440 minutes in every day. Our goal is to be happy. Today is, like I said, Wednesday, 6/11/25, and we are going to gear up here and try to get these vehicles loaded and try to get on the road first thing Friday morning and go see Meadowlark Customs in Ohio, and meet some dang good people, meet some new people, and have a car show. It's probably going to be in the rain, but we're going to go and do everything we can to have a good time. So if you're not on your projects, get out there and get on them. We're meeting a lot of new people, or I'm meeting a lot of new people in my life, and I appreciate it. People coming in, and one told me today it's getting to be his regular routine. I appreciate it. So anyway, thank y'all. If you're not on your project, get out there and get on them. Make yourself happy. Stay away from negativity, negative people. Just, it's not worth your time. It's really not. Thank you. Ask yourself, you know, if you get mad or if you do this, or is it really going to change anything? So just try to stay positive and stay away from negativity, and everything should be a lot better off for you. Like again, I do appreciate everybody coming in and watching and coming back, being returned, and appreciate it all. And remember, keep it silly. Thank you.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5.